Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and brief review of the Meze Audio 99 Classics. This is an outstanding pair of over-ear headphones that come in a beautiful walnut wood ear cup with either a silver or gold trim. They are extremely comfortable, they sound fantastic for the price, and arguably are the best value in its class. Join me now for a quick unboxing, and then I will let you know exactly how much I love them. Here's the box. Magnesium alloy headband, fake leather ear pads, wood enclosures. Come with different cables, little case. Even shows you the frequency response on the side, driver type. I don't know why this isn't focusing. There we go. All right, let's crack these babies open. Really nice travel case. Thank you card. Stickers. Stickers are always cool. Here are the headphones. They're very lightweight. Very easy to adjust, and a little accessory bag, airplane adapter. It's like a standard 3.5 millimeter mini jack with a 6.3 millimeter adapter. I guess like a second set of longer cable. All right, that is the complete contents inside. I can't get over how good these are. I've been testing a ton of headphones over the past couple months. $3,000 Stellia from Focal, $2,000 Ether 2 from Mr. Speakers. Even compared to the Empyrean, which are Meze Audio's flagship and are phenomenal, these, they really hold their own. $309 for the 99 Classics. It's gotta be the best value in headphones. I mean, it's gotta be. If you're looking for a pair of truly audiophile class headphones and $300 is in your budget, like, these are phenomenal headphones. I'm not gonna act like they couldn't be improved upon. You know, there's obviously some cost-cutting measures that Meze had to take to keep them affordable. The cables are a little bit chintzy, and although I love the design of the headbands, they don't extend as far down as I'd like. The lightweight frame is certainly nice from a comfort standpoint, but the overall build quality and the feeling of the materials are not nearly as good as something on the higher end. But you know, I'm not at all taking away any points from the 99 Classics because of any of those things. It's just, you know, they sound a heck of a lot better than $309, but they're not necessarily in the same league as far as the premium build quality as some of the higher end headphones. I've listened to these on my iFi IDSD Pro, through the Hugo 2, my multi-bit Modi shit stack, and man, they sound great on everything. I really love them, and I can't emphasize enough how much these are a great value. I mean, you're getting a really nice carrying case. It's hard, it'll be protective. 2 sets of cables, an earphone or airplane adapter. I mean, I don't know if anybody else in the industry does that, but yeah, they're great for travel, great for home use. They're also very easy to drive, so you can plug them directly into your smartphone or computer, and they sound really, really good. They don't necessarily need to be driven by a great DAC and amp like some higher end headphones do, which is nice if you're not looking to buy multiple pieces of gear at the same time. So yeah, the bottom line is I love the Meze Audio 99 Classics, and I give them my highest recommendation for the price point. They perform really, really well. They're very comfortable. Not nearly as comfortable as the Empyrean, but the Empyrean are a whole separate beast. Which, by the way, I will have an Empyrean video out soon. Look forward to that. Meze Audio is really, they're doing great stuff. I would say that in 2019, they're one of the top companies, and there's no doubt that they have a very bright future ahead.